When you are done with the ordering of the PBIs in your backlog, you are ready to go to the sprint overview board, the second board of our series. Over here, you have the overview of the sprint with the sprint goals that the team is trying to achieve, PBIs that are still in progress in the realization during the sprint, PBIs that were already finished during the sprint, and a PBI that is too big that we see that we will not be able to finish it in this sprint, so we've already moved it to the next sprint. You also have the view of the refined section of your backlog, so during the sprint or during the sprint planning, you can take the PBI and put it on a board. If the sprint is done, you will hit closed and create a new sprint. And you are at a planning session where you have the PBI from the previous sprint and again the backlog which can serve the following sprint.